First things first, you would like to possess a website name for your website. It's the name of your website which will appear on the URL. It's the website address which will be typed within the browser and your website shall appear there. First of all, you need to buy a domain name. Here is first step to have to get through. In this part 1 will show you how to buy domain from this website. 1. Think twice about your domain name and finally put in search bar there and click on find mark. This is already taken because it is mine, that's why it shows it taken. You need to put your specific domain name and find it to make sure whether it is available or not. 2. Now you need hosting plan. You can use it any according to your budget. This is all hosting plan as you are seeing in the video. Choose one, which is your need. Or, if your budget is low and you can't afford much of hosting and domain dues at the same time, there is no worry, you can use this $1 web hosting GoDaddy. 3. After getting domain and hosting, now you need to install WordPress. You'll simply log into your panel and install WordPress on your website. Here is another thread on the way to create an internet site or blog in 2020 of putting in WordPress. A. Log into your hosting account and easily you'll get a choice to log into the instrument panel from there. B. Now, just find an internet site builder or software installer option within the dashboard of your panel. C. Choose an internet site within the WordPress installer and fill a couple of details like website name and stuff and click on the install option. That's it, you'll choose the login credentials while installing which can assist you log into your WordPress dashboard. Once the WordPress is installed, just log into the WordPress dashboard of your website and customize it the way you would like. You get many free plus premium themes and plugins within the WordPress store that you simply can install. This is how you can make website blog in 2020. In next video I will discuss how to set up website in detail. So till then, take care and keep visiting us for more updates. This is my website that I created using GoDaddy hosting plan with free domain. If you need more info about this theme, then you can ask me about it. For example, you need this theme, or you need to set your website and need my help, something like that. So till next video, take care guys. Goodbye.